Hey everyone, welcome back to my anime channel, GizAnime, where we do everything anime related, whether that be anime figures, TCG card games, other collectibles, and anime reactions. In today's video, this is the follow-up part 2 for the 36 packs that we're going to open up for the Pokemon Lost Origins set. Looking for that alternate art Giratina or Aerodactyl. Or any major air card for that matter. The Rotom V wouldn't be too bad of a hit either. We did last video get a few hits, which is great, but just nothing really crazy, you know? So we're looking for that really crazy, really wild, really wow factor card. Hopefully it's in one of these. So with that said, let's just start ripping into them, see what we get, and I'll see you there. Alright, so let's start cracking these open and see if we can get any of those big hits that we're looking for. That anybody opening this set would be looking for, really. Again, last time, we got something, just not anything too over the top. Even some $15, $20 cards would be great. Alright, so let's get the good old code card. Again, like, I started to try to play this game. Just really wasn't it for me, but if anybody out there, plays the game, let me know how much you enjoy it, and if there are any cards in the sets that you're looking for to really help you out on the online version. It's kind of reminded me of Magic the Gathering Online, but free, so. Alright, so we are starting out with a Binacle, Murkrow, another Wurmple, another Clefairy. Again, I'd probably have all the commons. Lickitung, a Mawile, and another Mr. Mime. So, starting off pretty terrible.
Tragic.
Also, again, I don't play the game. I really don't keep like a lot of the lesser valuable cards. So let me know in the comments down below what y'all think I should do. If I should have like some kind of giveaway, a raffle, or something. So there's that, and then we've got a Lynx, Poliwag, Oddish, Growlithe, another Lickitung, another Magirna, and a Hollow Goodra. And again, like even the hollows, at least from the TCG player site, the hollows really aren't worth anything. No, you could probably find them on eBay for more. People, I don't know. I don't understand how, like, on TCG player they can be so expensive, but then people will buy them, or so cheap, but then people will buy them for more money off of eBay and other places. So pack 3 of 18. Looking for that magic. Seems to be eluding us a little more today. We're starting off. So we got a Phantrump. I think this is a new one. A Sudowoodo that is not hollow. Bronzor, Electrite, Ghastly, Gastrodon, and Dustox. Alright, we are feeling a bit of a sting here right now.
Ouch, baby.
The code. Ghastly, Ducklet, Zorua, another Pinnacle, Goomy, another hollow, a reverse hollow toolbox, and Raichu. Okay. Not doing so hot so far. Hopefully we didn't get all the bangers already in the first 18. That would be some really bad luck. Alright, the code, a Slugma, another Clefairy, Apom, Spinnerack, Litwick, another Porygon 2 Reverse Hollow, and Ariados. Looks kind of cool, but
This is fucking bullshit.
all the white borders today. Alright. Y'all tell me what it is. Is it black or white? Black or white? Alright, let's What's that? We've got a Horsey. A Meditate. Shellos. Mienfu. The Leo. Okay, a Trainer Gallery Pikachu. There we go, folks.
Yes.
That's actually really nice. I like that. I like that it's Pikachu. Everybody likes a Pikachu. And then we have a Hollow Kingdra. So, pretty sure that was a black bordered card. Alright, so now we're getting into the groove of things. Let's see if we can keep up this pace, though. Again, Pikachu fan favorite. Might not be worth much, though. So hopefully we can start hitting that money. He might be worth something, I'm not sure. I just looked up like the top few. Alright, so we've got the code card. Bronzor showing up again with the Snover and the Jinx. Okay. The Russian Cosmonaut.
What? What the fuck?
I mean, okay, why not? The Hollow, Reverse Hollow Russian Cosmonaut. And a Greedent. So, nothing in this one, unfortunately. The lost count of how many packs we've been through, like we've got roughly 8 more or 10 more to go through. Again, I bought this lot off of eBay, $97 plus tax, free shipping. So, I mean, it could have been worse, right? Right. Code, the Roselia, the Gumi again, Metadite, another Russian Cosmonaut, Gilgar, Cramorant, and okay, another Berserker V. Got one of these the other day, so now we have 2 of them. So the code card would like to tell me that this was a hit pack, but I disagree with the code card. Right, we need hits like these trainer galleries, but bigger, or just more of them. The code with a Litleo to start things off with. Mienfoo, Litwick, Rhyhorn, Apom, a Gift Energy with a we're gonna say it's a Glee score, okay? Glee score. But yeah, nothing in this one.
Whoa, that's a genuinely shocking fact.
Alright, so not a whole lot more left to go through, and Trainer Gallery Pikachu is really the only hit we got. I guess you could probably count the Berserker V, but yeah, I do definitely not. Also, I think the camera is messing up again as always, so there's that to contend with. Getting right back into it though. Also, it would be nice to get like one of those legendary god packs just with all the good stuff. That would be crazy. Alright, so we have a horsey to start off with. Shove it, or shoop it. Shellos. Okay. Accidentally saw something. Don't like it when I do that. Kind of give it away. Growlithe. Ducklet. Okay, this might have been what I saw. A lost vacuum. Oh, nope. And another Aerodactyl V-Star, not Alt Art. Although I think it's the Aerodactyl V that we want, not the Aerodactyl V-Star. I mean, it's definitely a hit, just not what we're looking for, you know? Just the disappointment is real, people. Because it's like the game is teasing me. Hey, you know, this is sort of what you want, but this really isn't what you want. The code. A Roselia. A Rockruff. Another Seal. Shove it. A Chomp. A Hollow Inkay. And a Parasect. Been seeing so many of these dumb Parasects that it's annoying. Right, the code. We will go with a Basculin, Phantump, or Phantump. Okay, this is new. Makuhita. Haven't seen this one before yet. It's nice to know that I haven't seen all the commons. Electrite, Murkrow, another Reverse Hollow, Lost Vacuum, and Politoed. White border trash. Okay. So we are starting this one off with a Rhyhorn, Pro, Horsey, Mawile. It's been a while since we've seen something good. Shellos.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
Another Russian Cosmonaut, Reverse Hollow. That would be the second one of these guys. Nice to know that all we can get is the Super Trash. White border. Down to the last 5 of the 18. Can we get one more decent hit? 2 out of 18. I guess the odds could be worse, but just 1 to 2 more. I mean, beggars being choosy. I would like all 5 to be hits if I'm being honest. But then again, wouldn't we all? Like, just every pack we open be the bangers that we want. Right. Starting off with a Blip Bug. Weird. Finion. I think I've seen this one before, but this might be new. Spinarak. Paris, not to be confused with Parasect. Regular Inkay. Reverse Hollow Mawile, and a Drapion V. Yep. Just not a big fan. Maybe the V cards were big hits back in the day. Not sure, but like they might go for $1 or $2 tops, so they're really not that great. But then again, I've seen some of these trainer galleries and other things going for that on TCG players, so I don't know. Alright, so we are working with a Slugma, Clefairy, Rosalia, Porygon, Inkay, Gastrodon, I think you got one of these yesterday too, and a Hollow Barbarcle. See, I want to say Barnacle, but there's no N, so Barbarcle, I guess. 3 more to go. Last pack we will just be skipping right to the end, by the way, just like typical. Damn. Alright, so we are starting off with Pikachu, Mantrup, Wudo. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Electrite, Lubdist, Reverse Gliscor, and bro, are you kidding me? Like, really? 2 in a row?
Bullshit! Bullshit! Bullshit, 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 bullshit.
Like, could you imagine if this was like one of the reverse or the alt art like Aerodactyls or something? Like, wow, let's check out these last 2 packs of disappointment. I guess this could have been worse, but man, all we want is just one of the bigger hits. I'd even take the Rotom V at this point, because I'm beyond sure that this Pikachu isn't worth anything. Growlithe, Seedot, Slugma. Slug me in the face because I'm not getting anything. Dynamo, Leo, Haunter. Alright, and the last pack. Yeah, there's no way this is anything. Black border though, so there's that at least. So obviously that just means a hollow. Get you the code real fast. And skip it to the end. Wow, cool. Another Drapion V. So, hell yeah, that's where the fire is at, I guess. I gotta say that the whole Pokemon unboxing unpack experience for me has been really lackluster since I started doing this. I just cannot get anything worth anything. Like all of this, I really don't care about any of this. So like if I could do a giveaway to give somebody all of this stuff that wants it, that would be great. I'd even include all of these. But yeah, that's the video. Let me know what you all think. Maybe I'm overreacting. I feel like I've opened several boxes of things so far and packs and nothing. But I will see you all next time. Silver Tempest unboxing coming at some point in time in the future when those are released.